time we're going to introduce you some call and response songs. In a call and response song, you will hear somebody calling a phrase and another person responding to that phrase. Let's listen first of all to an example. So follow the lyrics at the bottom here and the change of pitch with the blocks at the top. So just listen. Okay, does everybody understand? Right then, so let's do it first of all with the other voices singing with you. So you will listen to the call with the blue boxes and respond with the other voices on the pink. From the top. Excellent. Right, let's try this time without any support. I will take the response voices away, so you will hear the call and you will need to respond. This side of the class you will do now the call, and I want this side of the class to respond to them. So you're the blues and you're the pinks. Farrell, with Mr. Davis after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh,